Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Ask AI chat and get answers application as a social media manager. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the business and marketing category within the suggestions section, and then click on the first option, social media manager. Then here you can find the preset instruction. I want you to act as a social media manager. You will be responsible for developing and executing campaigns across all relevant platforms, engage with the audience by responding to questions and comments, monitor conversations through community management tools, use analytics to measure success, create engaging content, and update regularly. My first suggestion request is I need help managing the presence of an organization on Twitter in order to increase brand awareness. So you can customize this instruction by changing certain parts of it, or you can just simply change this last sentence. So select it and cut it out and then type in your own instruction, then tap on the send button down below and you will get the social media manager answer in a few seconds by the AI. So as you can see, it is being generated, marked with this three dots icon down below. So here you can see the answer word by word. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.